Window installation. Denton is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Denton window installation experts provide top-notch services, ensuring that every window is installed with precision and care. Whether you need residential window replacement or commercial window services, our team of Denton window contractors is ready to assist with expert window replacement. Denton TX solutions. Energy-efficient windows. Denton are becoming increasingly popular among residents seeking to reduce energy costs. These windows help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Window replacement. Denton TX services offer a range of energy-efficient window solutions. Denton TX, ensuring your home or business stays comfortable year-round. Denton window repair services are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From window frame repair Denton to window glass replacement our Denton window specialists are equipped to handle all types of repairs. Trust the best window companies in Denton, Texas to restore your windows to their original condition with expert window replacement. Denton TX assistance. For those seeking custom windows, our Denton Texas window installation professionals offer a variety of designs to suit your style and needs. Custom window design. Denton TX allow you to personalize your space, enhancing both the interior and exterior of your property. Our Denton window experts are skilled in creating unique window solutions, including window replacement. Denton Texas for all property types. Vinyl windows. Denton are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Vinyl window installation. Denton TX provides a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their windows. Denton TX affordable window solutions include a wide range of vinyl options and trusted window replacement. Denton TX services to fit any budget. Denton window upgrades are an excellent way to improve your property's value and curb appeal. Denton Texas window upgrade services offer a variety of options, from double-pane windows to custom designs. Our Denton window solutions, including window replacement. Denton TX, are designed to meet the needs of every client, ensuring satisfaction with every project. Local window services. Denton are readily available for those in need of quick and reliable assistance. Denton TX window maintenance and repair services ensure your windows remain in top condition, preventing costly replacements. Our Denton window companies offer high-quality window replacement. Denton TX services to keep your windows performing optimally. Window replacement quotes. Denton Texas are available for those considering an upgrade. Our window replacement experts in window replacement. Denton TX provide detailed estimates, helping you make informed decisions about your investment. Denton Texas window service providers are dedicated to offering competitive pricing and quality workmanship. Denton TX residential window services cater to homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. From affordable window replacement to energy-efficient window solutions. Denton TX, our team is equipped to handle projects of all sizes. Trust the top-rated window contractors in Denton, Texas for all your residential and window replacement Denton TX needs. Commercial window replacement. Denton, Texas is essential for businesses aiming to improve their building's appearance and efficiency. Our Denton window glass services offer a range of options, from standard replacements to custom designs. Window replacement Denton TX services ensure your business stands out with high-quality, professional window upgrades. Looking for the best window replacement services in Denton TX? Our Denton window experts provide top-rated window contractors in Denton, Texas, specializing in both residential window replacement and commercial window services. Denton. Whether you need custom windows Denton or affordable window replacement Denton TX, our Denton window companies are here to help. Denton TX window repair and replacement services are essential for maintaining the integrity of your home or business. Our Denton window repair specialists offer comprehensive window repair services Denton, including window frame repair Denton and window glass replacement Denton. Trust our window replacement Denton TX experts for all your window maintenance Denton needs. Energy-efficient windows Denton are a smart investment for any property. Our energy-efficient window solutions Denton TX include double-pane windows Denton and vinyl windows Denton. These options not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property but also improve energy efficiency through top-tier window replacement Denton TX installations. For those seeking custom window designs Denton TX, our Denton window contractors offer a wide range of options. From vinyl window installation Denton TX to custom windows Denton, we provide personalized solutions to meet your specific needs. Our Denton Texas window upgrade services include expert window replacement Denton TX to keep your home stylish and energy efficient. Denton TX residential window services and commercial window replacement Denton Texas are our specialties. Our local window services Denton include everything from window installation Denton to window maintenance Denton. Get window replacement Denton TX quotes from our Denton window installation experts today. Affordable window installation Denton Texas is within reach with our Denton Texas window service providers. We offer competitive pricing on all our services, including window replacement Denton TX and Denton TX affordable window solutions. Contact us for window installation quotes Denton Texas and experience the best window companies in Denton, Texas. Denton Texas window installation professionals are ready to assist with all your window needs. Our window replacement experts in Denton TX provide reliable and efficient service, ensuring your windows are installed correctly and on time. Choose our window replacement Denton TX team for quality workmanship and exceptional customer service.